Hello everyone, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. Today I am here with the topic how to make the videos for free and without any watermark. So for this I am going to use the software called Easy Video Maker. The name of the software we are going to use to make the video is Easy Video Maker. This software you can download from internet and you can install it in your computer. I have already done it. So if you don't know how to download and install it, please let me know in the comment box so that I will help you by making another video on this. So let's continue with today's topic, how to make the videos for free. So to open this software, just you need to double click on this icon called Easy Video Maker. So after clicking, the window will be opened and the software window looks like this. So here, this is the window of this Easy Video Maker. Now here the right side of this is called output mode. Here you can see the output of the video, and the left side is the place where you need to import your audio, video and images in this area. And the down, this is called editing mode. Here in this editing mode, we have different timeline options. So these are the different components of this Easy Video Maker. So the remaining tools I will tell you in the next video. So for today, I'm going to show you how to import the images and how to add the transition effect to the images. In next video, I will show you how to add text and how to insert audio in the video. Okay, so let's continue. First, let me add some images in this timeline. So for that, we need to click on this plus icon which is available at the top left corner. So just you need to click on this plus icon and click on add image. So once when you click on add image, you will find the images available in your computer. You can check wherever you have saved the images, you can go to that file folder and you can choose the images. And I'm going to choose here 4 images. So I will just click and drag all these images and I will click on open. So once you say open, all the images will be imported in this place. Now all these 4 images I have to import in this timeline. So for that, again I will select all these 4 images just by clicking shift and select the images. Now after doing this, I will just right click on the image and say add selected to. I'm going to import this in the video line. So just choose the option called video line. So once you say video line, all your 4 images will be inserted in this video line timeline. Now here we have to check the time. So you need to check the end time. So for that, just right click on the image and say set endpoint to. Default endpoint is 3 seconds. We can make it as 5 seconds and just say okay. You can make it 5 seconds or more than that also. So here I'm giving just 5 seconds, and again for the second image also I'm giving the 5 plus 5 is 10 seconds, and then the next one is 10 seconds, and the third image I'm going to give the set endpoint to 15 seconds, and then the last one I'm going to give the 20 seconds. So like this you can set the endpoint to your images. So here I'm going to give the 20 seconds. So like this you can give the time limit to your images. Now after giving the time limit, I have to insert some transition effects to the images. So for that I will right click on it and just I will choose the option called transition effect and add transition effect. Now here when you say add transition effect, you have different options. You can choose any effect from this. Say suppose I'm going to choose 0 to 9 effect for this first image. Now for the second image also I will say right click and say transition effect, add transition effect. Now this time I'm going to use 0 to 8. Now for the third image also I'm going to give the transition effect. Just click on transition effect, add transition and choose the effect, this time 0 to 6. In the same way last image I'm going to give the transition effect to 017. So like this you can add different transition effects. Now how will you check the preview? To check the preview, just you need to click on preview option from beginning and say okay. So once you click on preview, you can see here after checking the preview, if you want to modify any of the images, you can just modify it. For example, here you want to crop the image. So for that, you need to just right click on the image and click on crop. And after clicking on crop, you can just click and drag till where you want to keep your image and just click on OK. Now, if you want to see, suppose if you want to maximize these images, say suppose this is the second image which you want to maximize it. So for that, just you need to right click on it and say video image fill mode and say stretch. So like this you can maximize the image also. So here I hope you all understood how to import the images and how to add transition effects. In next video I will show you how to add the text and how to insert audio. So please don't miss watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.